In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tax information on Patreon. If you're a creator setting up your account or updating your payout details, this is an important part of the process. Patreon requires tax information so it can handle reporting correctly, and the exact form you'll see may depend on where you're located. For example, US creators may be asked to complete a W-9, while creators outside the US may go through a digital tax interview or submit a W-8 Ben. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find that section in your Patreon account. To get started, make sure you're using a desktop or laptop browser. This process is best completed on a computer since the creator settings are easier to navigate there. Once you're ready, log into your Patreon creator account. After you've signed in, look toward the bottom left side of the screen. In the sidebar, you'll find your profile area or the settings icon. Go ahead and click there to open your creator settings. This is where Patreon keeps the account level options related to payments, payouts, and other creator information. From the settings menu, select Billing and Payouts. This section contains the financial details connected to your creator account, so if you ever need to review payout methods or related information later, this is also where you'll come back. Once you're inside Billing and Payouts, scroll down through the page until you find the tax settings area. Depending on your account and location, this section may prompt you to fill out and submit the required tax form. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and enter your details exactly as requested. Since tax forms are official documents, it's a good idea to double-check everything before submitting to avoid delays or verification issues. When you reach this section, take your time. If Patreon asks you to complete a W-9, a W-8BN, or a digital tax interview, just move through each field one by one and review the information before confirming. Accuracy matters here, especially for names, addresses, and tax classification details. And that's it. The main steps are simply logging in on a desktop browser, opening your settings from the lower left sidebar, going to Billing and Payouts, and scrolling down to Tax Settings to complete the required form. Once submitted, your tax information should be saved to your Patreon creator account. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly find where to add your tax information on Patreon.